¿Estamos chilling o no chilling? Sobre una vez, ¿qué me causa mucho?
Por supuesto.
Oh, gracias. ¿Cómo estamos ahí?
Estamos bien. ¿Qué tal?
Bueno.
Bueno. What can I say except you're welcome?
Hey, little guy. All right. What do the baby? Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday.
Ay, qué chingada. No más, no más.
Sí. ¿Cuándo? No, jueves. No, el viernes. No, bien.
Bueno, sí, bien, güey.
Hola, Doris. Hello, Carl. Luis, ¿estás bien? You all right? Oh, you're Alex. Alex, you all right? Joel, you good? Okay.
Así.
Así.
Yes, sir.
Es mejor que mal.
Exactly. Se la voy a mandar bien. Le voy a poner la del coronavirus.
Hi, Nina. Oh, Kim. ¿Qué estás fumando? ¿Hierba?
Puro cilantro.
Hierba. ¿Qué es hierba? Hierba con H. Ah,
Hierba mala, ponga mota. Ponga mota. Más facilito, porque en hierba hay un vergal de hierba.
herb.
Mota.
Hierba. Okay.
Ponga mota. M-O-T-A.
Mota.
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 Decirle marihuaniza no le va a igual.
Yo no dije nada, digo que se lo dije.
Mota.
Mota.
No, exacto.
Ah.
Mota es lo que sale en la roca.
Mota. De mota es como
De la roca.
Yo no.
Marijuana is marijuana.
Señor.
Yeah.
Porque tiene, en español tiene bastante sobrenombre.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Porque somos buenos. No, así que no.
Depende cómo lo pongas tu cuerpo.
Así que no sé, parece que no podía pensar que como que te mataba el pensamiento por eso.
Te va a relajar.
No, como que no pensamiento, no sé.
Alrighty. Hello, Ini. Hello, Akeem. Akeem, are you the one who said whose nickname is Key K-E-E? Is that you, Akeem? K-E-E?
No.
No? All right. See, you know, I ask people to put their name when they do this stuff, and I don't know who the heck KEE is. All right, anyway. I saw a sign the other day that said, "Watch for children," and I thought, that sounds like a fair trade. Whiteboards are remarkable. I threw a boomerang a couple of years ago. I now live in constant fear. I put my grandma on speed dial the other day. I call it Instagram. I have a few jokes about unemployed people, but none of them work. I have a split personality, said Tom, being frank. My teachers just told me I'd never amount to much because I procrastinate so much. I told them, just you wait. Hello, Misa. Will glass coffins be a success? Remains to be seen. Did you hear about the guy whose whole left side got amputated? He's all right now. The man who survived both mustard gas and pepper spray is a seasoned veteran now. Have you heard about the new restaurant called Karma? There's no menu. You get what you deserve. Okay. All right, last week we did area. Okay. If you did not get a picture of these formulas, please take a picture of these formulas. Okay. We did area of a square. We've done area of a rectangle, area parallelogram, trapezoid, a regular polygon, which means all sides are equal, and the area of a circle. Okay. All right. Okay. All right, guys. Okay, guys, Brian. Okay. Okay. So last week we did area, all right, using these formulas. Today, we're going to do volume. And the formula for volume is simply this. Volume equals area of the base times height. That is for all cylinders, right? Prisms and cylinders. Volume is area of the base times height, regardless of the prism or cylinder. Okay. For example, okay, find the volume of this guy right here. Okay, volume V volume equals A is for area of the base and H is for height. Volume is area of the base times height. Okay. So in this case, the base is a square, right? the base is a square. And the area of the square is side times side, 7 times 7, or 49, right? So area of the base is 49. So volume equals 49 times, what's the height? The height is right here. Okay. Here's the height, and the height is 11. So volume equals 49 times 11. Use my handy dandy calculator. 49 times 11, 539. Square miles. Okay, so here's what happened in my geometry class yesterday. I said that in today's assignment, you're going to put the number only, all right? Which means you're not going to put square miles. You're just going to put 539. All right, hang on a second, Karen. All right, 539. So your answer would be 539. All right. What I say, what it says in the problem is your answer is a number only. Number only includes a decimal. I had a student ask me, well, wait, if I don't put the decimal in, it gives me the wrong answer. Number includes the decimal. Okay. Okay. All right. So I just got a question about parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram. Okay. Area of a parallelogram is base times height. Area equals base times height. All right. So for example, if this here is 8, okay, this right here is the height, straight up and down. Okay. Let's say this is 5. Okay. The area would be 40. Area would be 40. 8 times 5 is 40. Okay. Sometimes they put the height out here like this. And they put the 5 here. Okay. Either way, 8 times 5 is 40. Okay. Does that answer your question, Karen?
Yes, mister.
Okay. Over here, okay, once again, volume equals area of the base times height. Okay. I'm going to call this the base. Right. So here, area equals 4 times 4, which is 16. Okay. So area is 16, and height is going to be this right here. If I stand it up, this will be the height. Okay.
You could have done on either side, right?
Yes, I could have. Absolutely could have. Okay. So volume equals what's 16 times 8, that would be 128 cubic meters. You know what I just realized I did in the last problem? I think I said square, didn't I? I sure did. It's cubic. Okay, because length times width times height, okay, is cubic. Okay, this is length times width times height. It's cubic. To the cube, to the third power. Okay. All right, now we have a rectangular prism, all right? Still, volume equals area of the base times the height. Okay. Now, it doesn't matter, all right, if I call this the base, I could call this the base, and I could call this the height. That would work. Or I could call this the base. I call that the base, and then I could call this the height. I'm going to do it that way, okay? So area of the base, area is 12 times 8. What's 12 times 8? 96. So volume equals 96
Are you talking to me?
times 7. So what's 96 times 7? 672. Cubic kilometers. But, and your answer today, in today's assignment, you just put the 672. Don't try to put cubic kilometers. It won't work for you. Okay. Same thing here. I'm going to do area equals 7 times 9, which is 63. So I do 63 times 6. What is 63 times 6? 378 cubic meters. Easy, man.
Mr. Wine,
Yo.
it's only one number for I'm sorry, it's only one side of the height, right?
I could either do, let me see if this answers your question. I could either do, here's what I did. I said this was the base. And the area of the base was 7 times 9, making this base 63. And then I said the height is this guy here, which is 6. So I did 63 times 6 to get my answer.
Yeah, I mean the height is the same. It's the same height for the other side.
Oh, this is 6, this is 6,
Yeah,
and this
that
is
was
6. All
that
of
was my
these are
question.
6, yes.
Okay, thank you.
All of those are 6, yes. Okay, that's a good question. All right, just like, by the way, also, like here, this is 7, this is 7, this is 7, right? And then like, this is 9, this is 9, and that is 9, right? Does that help too? You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
These are all 9. All of these guys are 9. Okay. And then all of these guys are 7. This, this, and this. Okay. So all the purples are 7, all the greens are 6, and all the yellows are 9. All right. Uh-oh, trapezoid. Whoa. Still. Volume equals area of the base times height. Okay. So I'm going to call this guy here the base. Here's the base, all right? And if you remember, okay, the area of a trapezoid okay, is average of the bases times the height, right? Meaning if say, let's say this is 6 and this is 8. Okay. And let's say that the height is 5. Okay. Average of the bases is 7, right? Because 7 is in between 6 and 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So average of the bases is 7. The height is 5. So the area of this would be 35. That would be the area of this trapezoid. Okay. So here, one base is 4. The other base is 8. Right? What's the average of 4 and 8? 4 plus 8 is 12. What's 12 divided by 2? 6. So the area of the base, okay, 4 plus 8 divided by 2 is 6 times, what's the height? See, the height is 4.6. So I'm going to do 6 times 4.6. 6 times 4.6 gives me 27.6. That's the area of the base, 27.6. Okay. Now the height, right? This is the height. This is 6. This is 6. This is 6. This is 6. All those are 6. So volume equals area of the base 27.6 times the height is 6. What's 27.6 times 6? $165.6 cubic inches. Hey, ho, hey, ho, hey, ho. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. La mota, man. Me estoy tomando la mota. Say no to drugs. All right. La hierba. Me gusta la hierba. Viva la hierba. All right. Same shizznizzle here. Area of the base times the height. Volume. I'm exhausted. Volume equals area of the base times height. What's the area of the base? Well, again, it's this trapezoid here, right? One base is 10, the other is 6. 10 plus 6 is 16, divided by 2 is 8. What's the height of the trapezoid? 3.5. What's 8 times 3.5? 28. So the area of the base is 28. The height is 6. What's 28 times 6? Boom, 168.
Mister,
¿Qué
I think that-
pasa?
¿de dónde sacó el 8?
Oh, ocho, okay. How did I get 8? She wants to know. All right. Here's how I got 8. I said, okay, this here is 10. Right? Because this is 10. All right. And then this is 6, right? What's exactly the middle of 6 and 10? 8. 6 plus 10 divided by 2. 6 plus 10 is 16. Divided by 2 is 8. Does that answer your question, hijita? All right. En la nariz. All right. What is this? This is a hexagon, 5-sided figure. How the heck do we do that? Oh, well, a regular polygon. How do we figure that? That is the area equals 1/2 perimeter times the apothem. What's the apothem? The apothem is that guy, right? So 1/2 the perimeter times the apothem. Okay, so area, por favor. Yo, Brian, cállate, por favor. All right. All right. So area equals 1/2 perimeter. What's the perimeter? Well, look, you see how this is 11? That means this is 11. This is 11. This is 11. Todos son 11. Todos 11. This is 11. And this is 11. Okay. So perimeter means 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11 plus 11, or 11 times 5 is 55. Times the apothem. What's the apothem? It says 7.6. So what's 1/2? I'm going to use 0.5. 0.5 times 55 times 7.6 equals 209. Okay, volume equals area of the base times height. Brian, párate, por favor. No. Para, stop. Okay. Area is 209. What's the height? The height is right here, this 10, right? That's the height. times 10. 209 times 10 is going to be 2090 cubic inches. Okay, Brian.
Where did you get
Look at my
55
face,
from?
I'm going to say something. Okay, Joel and you. Knock it off. Carl, what?
Get 55 from?
Where did I get 55 from? Are you ready? Here we go. All right, first of all, I'm going to talk about here. The area of a regular polygon is P. P stands for perimeter. What's perimeter? This is perimeter. Add this plus this plus this plus this plus this. Add them all up. In this problem, do you see that this here, you see 11 right here? See this 11? If
Yeah.
that's 11, this is 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 11. I did 11 5 times. 5 times 11 is 55. That's the perimeter. So I got to do 1/2 of 55 times that apothem. Here's the apothem right there. 7.6. Okay. Here's one more just like that. All right. In fact, whoa. Okay. Can you tell me, Carl, what is the length of each one of these sides here? Do you know?
It's 8, 8,
8.
8.
8. The
And
length of each side is 8.
And that's on 8 times 5.
8 times 5. Okay.
Mhm.
So in this case, area equals 1/2 of 8 times 5, which is 40, right? That's the
Mhm.
perimeter, times the apothem, which is 5.5. Okay, so I'm going to do 0.5 times 40 times 5.5 equals 110. Okay, so volume equals area of the base times the height. Area of the base is 110. The height is going to be 4, right? What's 110 times 4? 440. Cubic meters. Okay. Okay, sorry, Nina, I just saw your message here. And, right, sorry, did you see that I did do something with the 10 in this last problem? I took the area of the base, which was 209 times the 10 to get 2090, right? Oh, okay. So then in this problem, it was the 4, and I multiplied by the 4, which is the height, to get 440. All right, next. Oh my goodness, 6 sides for the base. All right, so, all right. Six sides for the base, okay. So area equals 1/2 the perimeter. What's the perimeter? Each side is 12. 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. 12 times 6 is 72. What's the apothem? 10.4. So I'm going to do 0.5 times 72. times 10.4 is 374.4. So volume equals area of the base times the height. All right, this time the height is 6, so I'm going to do 374. I didn't want that. 374.4 times 6. 2246.4. Volume equals 2246.4 cubic kilometers. All right. Once again, the answer on today and the problems that you do, all right, you will just put 2246.4. Your answers, some will have decimals, but you're not going to be able to put kilometers to the third power or kilometers to the third power because you're not able to do that on this website we're doing today. Okay. Cylinders, all right. We need the area of a circle. Oh, the area of a circle is pi times radius squared. Pi times radius, or pi r squared. So still, volume still equals area of the base times the height. All right. In this case, area equals pi r squared. I want you to use 3.14 for pi times radius, 4 squared. 4 squared is 16. What is 3.14 times 16? 50.24. So that's the area of the base. Volume equals 50.24 times 7. 7 is the height. Times 7. 351.68. Inches cubed. All right. Your answer today will just be 351.68 with the decimal. Okay. You won't be able to put inches cubed, but you will put the decimal. You will have some decimal answers today. Okay. Wait a minute. What's the radius here? What's the radius in this problem? The diameter is 12. What's the radius? The radius is from here to here. If the diameter is 12, what's the radius? Radius is 6, right? Thank you, Nina. 3.14 times 6 squared. 6 squared is 36. What's 3.14 times 36? 113.04. Volume equals area of the base times height, or 113.04 times what's the height? 8. 113.04 times 8 is 904.32 cubic inches. Okay. What a triangle. What the heck? What was the formula for a triangle? Do I not have it on here? I can't believe it. Good Lord. Area of a triangle. Wait a second. Area of a triangle. One half base times height. Okay. Area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. So here, area equals 1/2. What's the base? In this, here's my base of the triangle. What is that base? Isn't that base 11? 1/2 11 times, what's the height of that triangle? The height of the triangle is right here, 6.2. So I'm going to do 0.5, 1/2, I'm going to use 0.5. 0.5 times 11 times 6.2 is 34.1. Volume equals area of the base times the height. Volume equals 34.1 times, what's the height? The height is 6. What's 34.1 times 6? Boom, 204.6. Your answers will have decimals sometimes. That's okay. 204.6 cubic miles. You will just put 204.6. Your answers can have decimals. Okay, one more. Look at this one. What do you see here? Do you see a right angle here? See that right angle? That means 6 is the base and 8 is the height. Okay. Area equals 1/2 of base times height. 6 times 8 is 48. Half of that is 24. Volume equals area of the base times the height. Area of the base is 24. In this case, the height is 9. What's 24 times 9? 24 times 9 is 216. Kilometers cubed, cubic kilometers. All right. Okay. What does your assignment look like, actually? All right, here. See, here's your first, wait a minute. No, 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 no. Volume, here we go, volume. All right, look at that. You got to do 9 times 9 is the base times 15. That'll be your height. That'll be your volume altogether. 9 times 9 times 15. 7 times 7 times 12 will be your volume. 6 times 7 times 8, that'll be your volume. Hey, why isn't it showing me my big? There it is. 3 times 9 times 11. Okay. Here, you gotta do average of 8 plus 14. 14 plus 8 is 22. 22 divided by 2 is 11. 11 times 5 is 55. That's the area of the base. You gotta do 55 times the height, which is 18. Whatever that number is, will be your answer. Okay. All right, I'm going to give you the link. Hold on. All right, the link is in the grade book, or you can just click right here. All right, go to it, please. Yes. Nina, I just sent you a message. Will you please look at it? Any of them, Nina, any of them. All you have to do is go in there and fix them or finish them. Yeah, there's definitely Delta Math assignments for you to, all of them. There's only one assignment that you got 100 on this quarter. Okay. ¿Mm?
Ayuda.
No. Sí. Por 4. Punto 5 por 25 por 4. Esto, ¿no? ¿Entiendes por qué? 1/2 the approximate times the perimeter. That's it.
Oh, we didn't multiply it by the 5. I'm sorry.
Okay. 7.5 por 25, sí, por 4. That's the area, the base. We didn't do times 5, the height. Okay. So try again when you're done. You go back and click. In fact, why don't you just exit this? You Are you willing to start over?
Tenía que me levantara mamado. Entonces, me dejan morir entonces. No, me puta, como no me rica buena. Póngate ahí, no. El maestro lo podía. No. Me quedé como viendo todo. Asqueroso. Sucio.
So that one we did, that one we said, it's 350, okay? Okay, so what's the average of the bases? 14 plus 8, right?
Yeah.
22. Right, that's the average of the bases. Times the height, which is 5, so 11 times 5, 55, times 18, which is the height of the thing, right? Do you understand why? Say no, if you don't. Okay. So once we got that 55, that's just this trapezoid. I gotta do times the height. If I stand the thing up, right, 18 is the height, right? You understand?
Yeah.
You go to
Sí.
positivo.
Más o menos.
Más o menos.
Estamos ready.
Pretend that I stand the thing up with the trapezoid on the bottom, right? The height off the ground is gonna be this 18.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying? Okay? Yeah. So it's gonna be 55 times the 18.
And then what happened to your system?
No, the 6 is there to mess you up. Don't use it, okay? You understand what I'm saying? Okay, average of the bases, right? Here's one base. This base is 14, this base is 8. 14 plus 8 is 22. Right? 22 divided by 2 is 11, right? Which makes sense. 11 is between 8 and 14, right? 11 times what's the height of this thing? 5, 55, right? So the area of this trapezoid is 55, right? But if I'm standing the thing up, right? What's the height? The height is 18, right? With 55 times 18. You know what I'm saying? Thomas? That's it. That's 55 times 18. That's it.
You understand?
Okay, good.
Pero bueno, tenemos teléfono. No odio.
No tiene teléfono, ¿eh? Qué lástima.
25.
All right, Carl Daniels, have a good day. Stay no drugs. You're good to go.
Creo que pueden ser 2.5 y 45, 35
El paisa.
o 4, creo. Para que te digo, más que te digo.
Y entonces, ¿cómo que ahora? Tengo que multiplicar esto. ¿Todo bien?
9 por 9.
9 por 9.
9 por 9. 92.
No, 82 es que llegó. ¿Cuánto te quedó?
Yeah.
9 por 9, 82. Ah, te quedó 4. Pero no te
All right. What? Holy what? Did you swear? No? Okay. Number 4. Okay, hold on a second, Elijah.
1215. Vamos a hacer esto todo con un punto.
No me gusta esta palabra, por favor. All right. Elijah,
Yeah.
area of the base times the height. What's the base? Well, how about 11 times 9? 9 times 11 is 99. Times 3. What's 99 times 3? I don't even know. Actually, I think it's 297. Do you understand how I got 99 times 3?
Yeah.
Okay.
Esto para matemática espectral. ¿Y aquí? Espera. ¿Verdad? ¿Igual? 7 por 7, 6 por 6. 6 por 6, 6. 7 por 7. 7 por 6. 7 por 6. 42. Por 8. Aquí 9 por 3. 27 por 11. Yo no puedo pasar de las 6. Ahorita yo te saco de ahí, imagínate, yo fui cabrón, pero no es nada. Algo me quedó cuando pasé por Guatemala. Ya me quedó la respuesta ahí. Mierda, pendejo. Mr. White. Mr. White, venga. Venga, que estoy.
You forgot to do that? I just showed you how to do that. Average of the bases times the height. Average of the bases times the height. 11. How did you get 11? How did you get 11? Divide what? See, you don't even know what we're talking about. Right? If you know what a base is, say no. You don't know what a base is. You know what a base is? You don't know? No. So here. Yeah, I know you were doing it. No.
La siguiente 11 cada lado, güey. 11 cada lado. Son 5, güey. De arriba 7. No, 7 cada lado. 7 más por 5, 25. Entre 2, 7.5.
Mira, look. Esto, this is the base, right? But wait a minute, this is the base.
Yes.
Well, wait a minute, is this the base or is this the base? They're both the base. So it's base times height. But which base do we use? We use both of them. You gotta take You know how to take average? You know what average means? If I want to know the average age of this class, what would I do? I'd add his age, your age, her age, his age, add them all up, and divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? How many bases are here? 1, 2. So I'm gonna add these two numbers together and divide by what? How many bases? How many students? You divide by 2. Why 2? Because there's 2 bases. There's 2 bases, right? You're gonna divide by 2, right?
Yeah.
14 plus 8 is 22, right? What's 22 divided by 2? 11. Does it make sense that 11 is exactly in between 8 and 14? Yes? Okay. 11 times the height. What's the height of the trapezoid? Oh, you're not a problem anymore. It's 5. 5, the height was 5. So that's 55 is the area. Times.
I'm done, Mr. Wise.
Would be 18. So you have to
Mr.
do
Wise,
18. Yes.
I'm finished.
You what?
Ya terminé.
Pues, sale. Adiós.
Me voy. Adiós,
No.
mister.
Sale. Ya no está parándote.
No, gracias. Bye, mister. Tenga buen día.
Dicen no las drogas. Ah, no estoy viniendo. No, no estás paying attention during class. All right, then I'll tell you what, then take out this picture. Show me this picture on your phone. This picture. Then tienes que escribir todo. Tienes que escribir todo.
Tomamos una foto y mandámosla por WhatsApp.
Carajo. You know
Sí,
what?
yo la tengo.
Pues me la mandaste. Yo aquí
You know
tengo el
what?
WhatsApp.
I know what I'm gonna do.
Tengo aquí conectado.
Hold on,
Tengo
hold on.
conectado la computadora. Sí.
Hold on, here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do. Here's what we're gonna do.
Sí, 7 por 5 serían 5. Dividido en 2. 5 en 2.
7 punto, no, 17.5.
5 dividido entre 2. Es igual a
17.5.
17.5. Y ese lo por. ¿Cuánto tenemos que dar de 7.5? 7 por 5.
7 por 5, 35.
7.5. 1 entre 2 por 7.
Es 17.5.
Loco, tenías formada. Déjame ver lo mejor. ¿Está?
Bien.
No, poner. Ahorita vamos a hacer más con más.
Incorrecto.
Chingada madre. Este loco, es algo similar. Cuidado la foto que tenés.
Por foto, güey.
Tienes que tener la foto.
Y no te la puedo mandar.
Así me paró, man. Teléfonos infantiles. A ver, tengo teléfonos de conexión en la casa. Órale, órale, Mr. White. Son mis ceros, por eso son mis ceros. Púrate que ya. Como ceros. No soy cero.
Okay, regular polygon, how do you find the area of the regular polygon? What do you do? Take 1/2 times what? Okay, what does that say? Apothem. See apothem? See what it's pointing to? Okay, 1/2 of 4 times what? Perimeter. What does perimeter mean? 17.5. How did you get 17.5? How do you get perimeter? What does perimeter mean? You know what perimeter means? Say no if you don't know what perimeter means.
No.
Add up all the sides. Add up all the sides. What's the length of this side right here? What's the length of this side right here? What's the length of this side here? If you add up all 5 sides, what did you get? 1/2 times 4 times 7, and then you'll do times 5. Nice.
Pero justamente va a poner el 2, uno entre 2. El teléfono mío, que tengo que cambiar.
Por 4 veces, ¿no? Y por 5 que es los recorridos.
Te pusiste cerca, tú me hablaste con el
Tenía que multiplicar.
Por 10, por
4 tenés que multiplicarlo.
No me dijiste.
Ve, maestro. Y eso viene de la respuesta de ella, pero no se nivel.
El 7 a veces, perdón.
No, el 7 es lo mismo. Es lo mismo. Es lo mismo, 7. No, maestro, no va a decir no, se le es lo mismo. Es lo mismo. 66.
Sí,
11 por 6. 0.5 más. Vamos a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 66. 66. Después, por este palito 0 que quedó para arriba. Es 9. Después, por fallo. Por 6. 6. Es igual a 1782. Si no, te puedo poner una arriba.
33.000.
Simón, 1782.
1700.
¿Ah? Simón, Marco.
Adivinando. Y yo es una que me puedo.
Simón, perdón, 7 y 7. Aquí tenemos el papel maestro. Sí, no, vamos, creo. Sí, ¿no?
Y eso que en la escuela, imagínate.
Y cuando estaba en el línea, digo yo. Yo me lo vi, pero la primera. La primera y la segunda. La mañana. Ahí me te voy sobre el cilindro. El cilindro. Los lotes. Ahí me te voy que me estoy enseñando. Mira este.
What's the base called? This is a can, right? Like a can? What is the base called? What shape is that called? Begins with a C and it rhymes with circle. Circle, right?
Yeah.
The base is a circle, right? What's the area of a circle? Read it. What is the area of a circle? You know what that sign is? Pi. You pass algebra 1 or no?
Yeah.
Well, you don't know what pi is. Okay? I said use 3.14 for pi. Okay? What's the area of a circle? Pi times. What's this word? Can you read that word? Radius. You know what radius is? No. Pi is 3.14. What's the radius? It's in the picture. What's the radius? If you say 7, I'm going to smack you. 5 is the radius. How do you find the area? Read it. What's 5? 3.14 times what? Times what? Times what? Right. 3.14 times what times what?
Oh, 5.
Times 5, right?
Yeah.
What's 14? Why do you have 14? Where does 14 come from?
Oh, el mamón. Bueno, como no, como me van a comer, ¿no? Espérate, otra vez, me equivoqué. 3.14.
No, clear.
3.14.
Why does it keep doing that? Clear, hit clear again.
John, 3.14.
3.14.
No me escucharon, te va.
Se le subió el azúcar.
Pero si lo azúcar ya abajo, se va a estar de uno. Se la vamos. Esto no se lo toco, que yo más 78.5.
Estamos básicos, ¿no?
Puta, no se lo también. Puta, incorrecto, mierda.
You weren't done after 3.14 times 5 times 5. That's just the area of the circle. You gotta do times 7. Times the height.
En vez de todo el pedacito, yo te voy a poner así, cabrón. Te voy a matar, te canijo.
Mejor que con eso no es ni yo, ¿no?
Mono. por ese botazo que me dio, man.
Para que le refresque la memoria.
Mira, qué todo. Ya lo va a tocar. Lo receta también. 20 por no. 7. Es igual a 8.792. Y si no es esa, lo voy a pegar ahorita nomás.
No,
Vamos. Puta, algo de 7.000, 8.700, ¿qué? No, Dios.
vale.
No voy a bailar todo el año, te da tu madre. Me dio un multiplicador y
No sé, yo todas esas también.
Did you get it?
espérate, macho, que me quedo también. Ahí va, bueno, me estoy pegando, cabrón.
Vale.
You gotta find, area the base. You gotta stand this thing up on its side. What's the base? What shape is that called? What shape is this called right here? A triangle. Do you know how to find the area of a triangle?
No, no está.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Es uno, 0.5.
Ahí está.
Por la base, ¿cuál es la base? Puta, la misma.
Have a good day. Say no to drugs. Keep that. Keep that.
No,
Don't lose that. Nope, no pierdas. Huh? Wherever you go for lunch. What's in the other, is there some meeting today? Is there some meeting? Why would you go to the auditorium? Oh, first part, you go to the auditorium? Okay. Okay. All right, I'm ending today's meeting. Make sure you get your work done. Have a good day. Say no to drugs.